Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how can you transfer files from your WSA. If you never had installed WSA on your Windows 11, I have already made a video on this topic. The link of that video is given in the I button and in the description, so you can check it up from there. So without any further ado, let's get started. For transferring the file from WSA, we will need a software from the Microsoft Store. Open up the Microsoft Store, search for AOW Tools, and hit Enter. Here you have to install this software. Don't worry guys, this software is paid, but all its features are also available for free for a lifetime. Just click on the free trial, and it will start downloading. After the installation got finished, you have to launch an Android app to start WSA. I'm opening the Play Store here. After that, open the AOW Tools. For the first time under the Device tab, you have to select your WSA. Here just select this online device. Now under the File tab, you can transfer any file. Let me just show you how. For pushing the files into WSA, you have to click on this Upload option. It will ask which file you want to push. Here I want to push this music, just select it, and click Select. Now let me just show you in Files app. Here you go, the file is successfully pushed. Like that, you can also get the file from WSA to your Windows 11. Just select the file you want to get. Click on Download, and it will ask where you want to save the file. This was how you can transfer files from WSA. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, also set the bell icon to all. If you have any doubt, do comment down. I'll meet you in another interesting video. For till, bye bye.